For decades, software development has been defined by the challenge of execution. Writing code, testing systems, and deploying releases all required significant time and effort from skilled engineers. But artificial intelligence is beginning to change that equation. In this short talk, I want to introduce a concept that becomes increasingly important in an AI-driven world: intent. Hello, I'm David Brooks. I've spent most of my career helping companies build and deliver enterprise software platforms, which is what led me to start thinking about how AI will change the software lifecycle. Historically, the hardest part of software development was simply building and delivering the software. Teams spent enormous effort writing code, running test suites, and coordinating deployments. The entire discipline of DevOps emerged to help organizations improve the efficiency of that execution process. But AI is rapidly reducing the cost of execution. Today, AI systems can generate large portions of code, write test cases, and even assist with deployment automation. The mechanical act of producing software is becoming dramatically faster. As execution becomes easier, a different challenge begins to emerge. The question is no longer simply, can we build this system? The more important question becomes, what exactly should the system build in the first place? This is where the concept of intent becomes critical. Intent is the clear expression of the outcomes we want a software system to achieve. It's not a collection of tasks or tickets. It's a structured description of the goals, constraints, and behaviors that define success. Without clearly defined intent, AI tools can actually make things worse. They can generate code faster. They can create more features. But they can also accelerate confusion. Organizations may find themselves producing more software without actually delivering more value. In many organizations today, intent is poorly defined. Teams may have thousands of tickets and hundreds of feature requests. But very few systems clearly capture the strategic intent behind those changes. The result is a gap between what leadership wants and what software teams actually build. In the autonomous software model, intent becomes a first-class layer of the system. It connects strategy to architecture, architecture to implementation, and implementation to operations. Intent becomes the guiding framework that keeps autonomous systems aligned with business goals. This shift has major implications for leadership. In the future, executives will spend less time reviewing individual changes or project details. Instead, they will define the policies, constraints, and intent that guide how autonomous systems evolve. Leadership becomes about direction, not micromanagement. In closing, artificial intelligence is transforming how software is created. But autonomy without clear intent can easily lead to chaos. The organizations that succeed in this new era will be the ones that learn how to clearly define and encode intent into their systems. Because in the age of autonomous software, clarity of intent becomes the most important capability of all. If this topic resonates with you, I explore the full framework in my book, Autonomous Software. Just scan the QR code to find it on Amazon. Thanks for watching.